Secretary Defense Lorenzana, General Godo Anyo, Lieutenant General Donato San Juan, Mayor Mauricio Dumugan, the Foreign Service Attaches, the officials, faculty members, and staff of the Philippine Military Academy, PMA Slaknid Class of 2017, and to their parents to whom this moment rightfully belong. The Cadet Corps of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, fellow workers in government, my beloved countrymen. Pakibigay ng tikas pa rin. Ang nagsulat man dito, hindi ka sinali. Bugbugin na lang natin. I'd like to apologize and acknowledge the presence of the beautiful lady, the Vice President of the Republic of India. Sorry, Mama. Nawala na ako tuloy na.